You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning, it's Tuesday, September the 30th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, 5-minute show bringing you the best press releases in the AM so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 3 great press releases for you this morning. I've got no halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story this morning comes from International Tower Hill Mines. They trade on the Venture under the symbol ITH, and they also trade on the AMEX under the symbol THM. And finally, for our European friends, they trade on the Frankfurt under the symbol IW9. The company is announcing the latest drill results from their ongoing 2008 resource expansion program at its bulk tonnage Living Good gold project near Fairbanks, Alaska. We've got some highlights in this press release, which include hole number 39, which returned 26 meters containing 3.35 grams per ton of gold. Hole number 43, which there's a big one, 143 meters containing 1.3 grams per ton of gold. Hole number 45, which is 123 meters containing 1 gram per ton of gold. And finally, we've got hole number 50, which returned 80 meters containing 1.2 grams per ton of gold. So big numbers coming out of International Tower Hill Mines. A little bit about the company. They're a resource exploration company focused in Alaska and Nevada, which controls a number of exploration projects representing a spectrum of early stage to advanced gold and base metal discoveries. Company's last at $2.25, 52-week high low, 52-week high is $2.65, the 52-week low is $1.19, and its market cap currently stands at just under $100 million. Moving on to our next one, I've got Kirkland Lake Gold. They trade on the TSX under the symbol KGI, and they also trade on the AIM in the UK under the symbol KGI. The company is reporting an update on exploration drilling testing in the South Mine Complex in Kirkland Lake, Ontario. They've announced that drilling in the South Mine Complex continues to return high-grade intersections. Highlights from this program include drill hole 20H, which has intersected a new zone where the drill hole returned 4.14 ounces per ton of gold over a true width of 13.3 feet, and included within that they've got 55 ounces per ton over 1 meter. So great concentrations of gold, given where the price of gold is heading, something you might want to take a look at. A little bit about Kirkland Lake. They're a Canadian gold mining company that owns and operates the 5 major gold properties in Kirkland Lake, Ontario. Company's last at $6.85. 52-week high of $14.62, a 52-week low of $4.05, and its market cap currently stands at approximately $380 million. And finally, we're going over to the U.S. side. I thought this was an interesting company, never seen them before. They're called Dematco. They trade on the OTC BB under the symbol DMAT. They've announced that they've signed a $100 million contract with their 4th European investor group to dematerialize senior life settlement units. What do? Dematco converts all manner of paper instruments into electronically transferable units. For this new contract, the company will receive an initial stage payment of $250,000 with $1.75 million due upon execution of the dematerialization and $3 million due upon completion of the subproducts. I've got a quote from Robert Stevens, chairman, who states, "As we expected, the uniqueness of our service is attracting new investor groups looking to convert and move all types of financial paper. We are obviously well positioned and appear to be seizing market share in the dematerialization industry. Strong order flows look constant through the 4th quarter." So once again, a little bit about Dematco. They're engaged in the business of dematerializing or converting financial instruments from paper form into electronic form. The company is last at 8 cents. 52-week high of 20 cents, 52-week low of 1.3 cents, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $14 million. I've got no halts to report on at this time, so that's a wrap for today. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow, and we've got more great press releases and halts in the AM.